Hello and welcome to another update video about Link. Link has recently reacted here to the larger support zone on the daily chart, or the 4-day chart in this case. And we could be on our way to the, 69 plus area, which is the first ideal target actually for this third wave. But it depends on how high this initial wave 1 goes. When we then have a first higher low in wave 2, we can actually calculate the target for a third of a third wave, and then also for the larger third wave. But usually there are extensions, especially in third waves. So it's looking good, you know, we've nearly reached the March high. And what we need is a little bit more upside momentum to break above the March high. Then the first key resistance will be at 27.56, 38.40. That's going to be a big one. And then we should go above $55 to reach 69 next. And what we want to see normally is a 5-wave move in circle 1. We have only 3 waves up now at the moment, and then a 3-wave pullback in circle 2. Then we can talk about the third wave to the upside from there, but we are far away from that at the moment. We don't even have 5 waves in circle 1 yet. Sometimes these break out directly. Just look at the ADA chart or XRP. They don't always form another 5-wave sequence in another wave 1, in a third wave. We already had an initial 1-2 set up. Do we get another one? Maybe. Nice to have, not necessarily needed and not always provided in bullish markets, because then sometimes they just break out directly, right? Sometimes they just break out directly. And then if we talk about the shorter time frame, the price has moved a little bit higher. That's all good, yeah. We have now reached the upside target area here on the 4-hour chart for this internal structure of a third wave. So from the August low, we had a wave 1 to the upside in 3 waves, a wave 2 as a sideways correction, and the third wave to the upside could be unfolding now, again as an ABC structure. Then from there a 4th wave and the 5th wave. In theory, that would be the perfect structure. So I'd actually like it to pull back in a wave 4 to 11.55 to 14.99. And then from there we can get a 5th wave up. That would be ideal. But if it just continues to break out and just goes in a very direct way above that 78.6 extension at 27.56, I'm not going to watch anymore for a pullback in wave 2. I would then have to assume we're already in the third of a third wave. So don't necessarily expect this pullback. I think we have to consider it's going to happen at any point, but it can't be predicted, right? We need some kind of signal that this local uptrend is over and that this 4th wave pullback has started. For now, all we've done, we've reached the 1950 level. Why is this so important? Because this is based on the internal structure of a third wave, the first ideal target, right? We have an ABC structure, and based on the projection of the A wave, the C wave was the first target. Spot on, reached it, and surely it can extend higher, but we have a first initial reaction to that level. So be ready that this 4th wave could start it. If it happens from here, 1 second, it could start. But if it happens from here, let's adjust micro support. Then micro support would be, well, 15.15 is the first one. Then $14. Ideally, we don't even go below that. I mean, 12.96 would sort of be the last level I want to see for a 4th wave. Anything below that might be some kind of an internal B wave. But ideally, in a 4th wave, we don't break below the 61.8 retracement. For now, however, as you can see, if we zoom in a little bit, this is only a very small reaction to that resistance area. And at this stage, we're still printing higher highs and higher lows with some divergences, however. But if we break above 1950, 21.57 is next. The local uptrend is still alive. And I would need to see minimally a break below the last low at 17.51 to suggest a local top has formed. But overall, still a bullish structure. Just pay attention now to those next levels. And overall, target for the larger third wave, $69 plus. That's the update about Link. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.